guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Trace. I hope you stick around and subscribe to the channel. Yes, you are. I just made the girls some breakfast. Now we're back upstairs. I'm about to get the girls ready for the day. It's 11:16. So we have maybe two things to do today. I have to pick up my Target order and have to do a return to Ross. Actually, an exchange to Ross. And we might go to Home Depot because my toddler been asking to go to Home Depot because she want to go right in their car that they have, like the card with the card on it. But yeah, we might do that. High five. High five. But yeah, that's on the agenda for today. Yeah. Okay, Princess or Stitch? Stitch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Layla. It's not your size, but y'all, every night Layla wants to put this princess dress on. It's her sister's, but she always want to put it on. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. She want me to put Moana on the TV. Yeah. Anytime they're watching Moana, you want to get dressed first. You? Foot. Next foot. Come here. Let me rub some lotion in you. Come here. Yeah, look at the room, the time we've been in here of me getting them dressed. Let's clean up the stuffies. Yeah. Layla, we're cleaning up. No, we're cleaning up.
Yay.
We're about to head out and I think we're gonna do a Ross first. Got my toddler gotta pee and she just peed before we left the house. But so she gotta pee. The best thing ever. These are cute. You like these?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this girl is something else. Okay, we can do these. Okay, these are $14.99 and these are $8.99. And the shoe that we have is $17.99, I believe. So we're gonna do these well. Because she do need a slippers. Yes, baby. Hi. Hi. Oh, you pointing at the baby. Y'all, Layla pointing at this baby here. You like it?
Mama, little one milk.
Layla, she drink her milk.
Can we walk it to sleep?
You wanna rock it to sleep?
Yeah. She's tired.
But y'all, we're about to leave the store. Come on, Amira. About to head over to Target to pick up my order. I'm not sure if I'm going to Home Depot because Layla, she fell asleep. She's sleeping. It's okay. We can try to go another day. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? But not today, though. Say bye. Y'all, we just got home like 30 minutes ago. It's 1:30 right now. Layla, she's actually, hopefully she's sleeping because she was sleeping in the car and I transferred her from the car seat to her crib. But this is the baby doll. I got this one. It was cheaper, so I got it. It was $5.99. Huh?
It's equal like where?
So I only got one because they have like maybe 3 more already or 2 more. I think this one made the third baby, and this one makes noise. The other two doesn't make noise.
And she crying like.
I didn't really get much at Target. I got me some these cream soda. But yeah, I got her this little cute slippers along with the Stitch shoe. But yeah, I'm gonna make dinner today. So I never actually bought meat in Target before, but I got this ground beef. Okay, can you wait, please?
Can you open it?
Well, I need you to wait because I was talking.
It's okay, Bob. It's okay, baby. We will help.
Yeah, I hate taking babies out these things. Pick me up some more diapers for Layla. I have a very exciting package coming in today. Actually, it just got delivered. So I'm gonna go get that package and I'll be right back. I didn't realize that the mic was off, but I was just saying that the delivery driver put the package in the shade instead of leave it in the sun. Yeah, I had to switch the mic, but I don't know if y'all were hearing anything that I was saying because it wasn't on. Let's try to take it out. Oh, goodness, it's heavy. Ta-da! As y'all can see, slushy machine. It's not the Ninja, but this should work just as good as the Ninja. It's a slushy machine and an ice cream maker as well. I wanted one that have both. I can do both, so open this bad boy up. I'm so excited. The kids, they always asking for popsicle, ice cream, and all of that stuff. We got it. We got this. I'm gonna try to slide it out. I'm gonna slide it out on the ground. Y'all look at this. It's so cute. Yeah, slushy and ice cream machine. I'm excited. They keep drink frozen for up to 12 hours. No ice needed, so that's good. But yeah, let's see. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though, because I don't want too much stuff on the counter. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm so allergic to the box. It itches so bad. I know I'm allergic because, look, I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm trying to keep it off my skin. Not have it touch my skin, but I'm so excited. Yeah, look at this. She's so pretty. She is pretty. Look at her. But y'all, I'm gonna have to play around with this. Not today. Y'all, I'm so itchy right now. This summer, the kids and I gonna be making a lot. I can't talk too loud though, because my toddler, she's still awake. She's not sleeping. And we're not making anything right now, so can't talk too loud. It came in like 3 boxes. Okay, y'all, I'm about to start making dinner. So I already prepped all my veggies here. I'm gonna bring y'all closer in a sec. This all my seasoning. Not seasoning, my veggies. Seasoning that I'll be using. Then they have the beef, ground beef. And these are triple cheddar and just sharp cheddar. Yeah. And then the tortillas I'll be using for my chips. But yeah, I'm gonna cut these up, and I just turned the oven on for 350, so I'm gonna bake them instead of fry them. But yeah, I'm gonna add avocado oil. So this is one, and this is number two. Yeah, the bottom ones are a little bit burnt. I also add a little bit of everything. You didn't add that, but
Like golden.
you want to go in the freezer?
Yeah.
Why?
And I'm gonna go just the soap.
I'm gonna add cheese.
Mama,
Yes,
can I go over there?
I'm coming. Mm. Y'all, this is my food.